The adjustable pallet guard system is fully customizable. Let's review your options so you can get exactly what you need. In this video, we're going to review pallet guard standard colors, heights, and configurations. SafeStrap's adjustable pallet guard system is available in 4 height profiles: 5.5-inch high, 7-inch high, 12-inch high, and tri-sign. All 4 profiles protect customers from pallet-related trips and falls, as well as hiding dirty and hazardous transport pallet imperfections. All 4 profiles are great for fast product placement, reducing time and restocking labor. Here are the differences for your consideration. The 5.5-inch profile provides the minimal required layer of protection while unifying store design, and is our most affordable option. The additional height of the 7-inch profile is designed to reduce shrink by protecting your merchandise from cart damage while still enhancing store appearance, and is our most popular option. The 12-inch profile is designed to visually stand out and provides a higher level of safety. The extra height prevents trips due to open pallet corners that have been shocked to zero on fast-moving merchandise, and is our highest level of protection that we offer. An optional clear sign holder is available for all of these profiles. The tri-sign profile not only prevents damaged goods and injuries, it further enhances your display with interchangeable signage set at an attention-grabbing angle. The tri-sign is our most versatile marketing option. All of our pallet guard profiles are able to accommodate standard size pallets. In each box, you will receive 4 telescoping sides. For retailers who merchandise off of 1/4 and 1/2 pallets, we have options available for you in the 5.5-inch and 12-inch profiles. For retailers who drop pallets on end caps, we have options available for you in the 7-inch or tri-sign profiles. For retailers who utilize under-rack pallet drops, we have options available for you in the 7-inch and tri-sign profiles. We hope the content of this video has been helpful. Once you receive your pallet guard, be sure to check out our pallet guard staff training video for best practices and lots of creative ideas from retailers around the world using the adjustable pallet guard system. For further information about pallet guard and other safety equipment for the retail environment, visit www.safestrap.com.